In this video, I'll demonstrate how to crop a multiple-page PDF on your Mac quickly and easily without any extra software. To be safe, you should create a copy of your PDF file before attempting to crop it. Simply right-click or Control-click your PDF, select Duplicate, and keep it in your document folder just in case. To start, right-click or Control-click on your multiple-page PDF document and select Open with the Preview app on your Mac. In this tutorial, I am using macOS Sequoia. If you can't view your PDF thumbnails in the left sidebar, click the arrow next to the sidebar display button and select Thumbnails. You can now see the individual pages. Click the first page or page 1 to select it. Then scroll down. Next, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click the last one to select all the pages. The second method is to click the sidebar and press Command+A on your keyboard to select all pages. The third method is to click the sidebar and drag your mouse pointer over the pages. Once you have selected all pages, scroll up to view the top edge of the first page. Next, click the Show All Markup tool. Then click the rectangular selection button. Position the crosshair or the mouse pointer over the area you wish to keep. And click and drag. Once you reach the end of the first page, release the mouse button. If you click outside the selected area, your selection will disappear, and you will have to select it again. To adjust your selection, click on one of the handles and drag it to the left or right. And make sure all your PDF thumbnails are selected. If you scroll down, you will see a thin line surrounding all the pages. This indicates that all pages are selected. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click the Crop to Selection button. Then click OK to remove the white margins from your multiple-page PDF document. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.